Hey Cream Madonnas, welcome back to the channel. I am Belitra and I am the crafty black girl. So you guys, today we are doing this body care basket for Mother's Day. So starting off with these little planters, they were so cute. So I wanted to use these. It's actually my second time using these, but these are some of the items that I got. And this was actually inspired by a YouTube video that I saw. She did a basket similar to these, and I will link it in the cards above so you guys can watch that video. But I'm starting off with these facial wipes right in the middle, and I decided to switch them out because I just didn't like how it looked. So I went in with this Yardley bar of soap, and then I took the mirrors out of the box and I had to wash those off. They were quite cloudy, not so much dirty, but they just were kind of like smudgy. So I went ahead and taped that to the box and to the skewer, and I thought that that would be a little different to add in. Then I'm adding a skewer here on the side, and we'll put the facial wipes on the side because I have something on the other side to be symmetric with it. I kind of like to have symmetry in my baskets. If you notice, I don't like short things to be, I mean, it just needs to make sense to me. So I went ahead and put the bath bombs on the other side to create some symmetry with the facial wipes. Then I took this hair towel, rolled it up, and put it in front of that soap, and we put the little eye mask for relaxation in the back. I put that tag down. I didn't want to take it out because one thing that she mentioned in her video was that the instructions for cooling is on the packaging, so I didn't want to take that off. Then I took the little facial brush and put it in there, and then put this little bath sponge on top, and I'm like, that's so cute. Here is a job for our skewers, a different job, but it's still a job for the skewers. So I wanted to sit that on top and display it above the facial wipe, so I just broke the skewer off and let it sit on top, and then we're going to secure the back with tape like we normally do. I know these people are going to be like, all this goddamn tape, but listen, hey, it's pretty, so that's what I'm worried about. So now I'm just going to break that off because I don't want them to be able to see skewers from the front of the basket. I always want them to see the beauty and not the construction. So now I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the shred. I think this basket could have done without shred as well, but I did add it. So then we're going to just go ahead and cover up everything that we did with some tissue paper. I decided to use pink because, like I said, I like symmetry. So if I used a lot of green, now I'm going to add some pink so that it can just balance out the color scheme here. So we got some pink and green going on. So here's one for my AKAs. We got you covered. So you guys, this is the basket here. Leave it a thumbs up if you like it. This basket, oh yeah, we'll discuss that later, but look at these bowls though. So y'all, have y'all ever seen these in a Dollar Tree? Leave me a comment down below, yes or no, because this was a secret that I was gonna keep, but because I love y'all, I'm gonna tell you. So yeah, now for the pricing. The basket was $1.25. I used 7 items, $1.25 each, and the sponges I got from a wholesaler in Miami. They were actually a little under $1, so I'm just gonna put $1, shrink wrap $1, bowl 63 cents because they came 2 for $1.25. I divided them. Then $8.75 were my items, $1.25, $10, plus $1, plus $1 is $11, 12 times 2, we got $25.26, plus my time, 20 minutes, $45.26. That's a lot. If you need to go back, please go back, but this is what they're looking like, and they're going for $45, you guys. I think they came out really cute. Leave it a thumbs up if you like it. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Stay crafty.